Alright, I can go over the little details, like it's a 1989 Subaru Sambar, low mileage, blah blah blah. Look at it. It's a freaking mini truck. Yeah! You guys that don't know, this right here is Japan's workhorse. You'll find these in ports, construction yards, heck, they even mud them for the fun of it. This one only has 14,000 miles on it too, and she's strong as ever. As a reminder, because this vehicle is stateside, this vehicle is available for financing. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and as always, my name is Andy. Have a nice day. Go!